Hi, welcome back to my channels. I'm Brian, your local San Diego realtor, and today we are at this amazing house of 4 bedroom and 3 bath house here in Poway. It's more like a North Poway, and we are in this one cul-de-sac. Very nice, very pretty, and let me show you around. Yeah, right when I arrived to this place, what hit me immediately is how nice the air here is, how fresh, how breathable it is. And I feel like this house, the way they design it, it just have a very good flow and good lighting so that when you go inside, you feel very comfortable. Yeah, so this is the main entrance of the house. And now we're gonna go inside here. I love houses with double door like this. Right when you walk inside, you are greeting with this amazing living rooms. Yeah, come check it out. This inside living room is a bit lower than your hallway. It's make a great separation between areas, wood areas, right? And I love how they keeping the old wood beams. This house built in 1979. And they recently got remodeled, but they still keep some of the old features like the wood beams, making the house very cozy. Loving it. Yeah, it's all my vibe right here. Yeah, I will pick a house that have some story behind it rather than a fully new house. This is your kitchen area, and this is gonna be more on a family area of side of the house. I love the size of the kitchen right here. The appliances are very nice. For some reason, the stone is super cold. I don't know why. But yeah, it's very nice. And this is your very own family rooms right here. Yeah, your little corner, you can hang out with your family. It's a bit more private compared to that living room right there outside, right by the door. And come on this side, you have, oh, forgot to mention, this is a little cocktail bar right here. Very nice touch. And I want to point out that during the tour of this house, everything that they do here, from the cabinet, the stone, the handles, everything is very premium in my opinions. Right, this is your laundry room. For some reason they have that old American style tile, but yeah, everything is here, compact, right by your garage, very easy and convenient to use. And now let's head back to the room section. One more thing I forgot to mention, that I really love the lighting, this lighting right here. I think it's very cozy, very soft, kind of Japanese, and it's fit this vibe a lot. Some of the room right here, this is the first room, a medium-sized room with 3 closets. Can you imagine that? 1, 2, 3. And let's go back outside. This is gonna be the restroom that they're gonna use for these 2 rooms right here. Nice standard double sink, good quality stuff. And now the second bedroom right here. This one gonna be slightly smaller. They're both gonna be on the front side of the house, so you can expect to see them. The window is not that big because there's not really much thing for you to see right there. Right, walking with this hallway again, and again I love how, you know, uneven the roof is, or like the flooring is. Because of that, it's giving the house such a unique vibe, and then a soul. It's making the house more interesting than just like a square box, you know. Yeah. Okay. Did I mention that this house is like 2,800 square feet? This is the third room right here. They use it as an office, but you can always convert it back to a room. And this is a powder room. I love that they're very, like, you know, brave to use this color, because there's not much place here in San Diego that using black for the powder room. I think it's very fancy in my opinions. This is your main bedroom right here, the master bedroom. Look at that. Beautiful room with beautiful lighting. We got lighting from both sides. This side toward your backyard, and the other side toward this little garden right here. I can see myself if I buy this house, we'll do some sort of decoration here, some planting, you know, some little fountain, water fountain right here. Yeah, I think it's a very niche and very cute touch of the room. Walking inside, this is the master bedroom, double sink, and this huge bathroom, like shower and then bathtub combination. That is gonna be your toilet right there. I love how big this walk-in closet is. It's so big, like, yeah, it can fit like 3, like times 3 of what I have, of what the clothes I have right now. It's funny, yeah. Also, we are in Poway, and the school district here is also very good. And one more thing I want to say about the location of this area, we, even though as you can see from the beginning, we kind of go a bit downhill to the garage, but then we are technically still higher than most of the house in this area. And this house is facing on the west south side of the map, so when the sun coming down, it's gonna be in the front of your house. Yeah, I love this outside part right here, outdoor backyard part. Real grass, they have some concrete foundation right here. Insanely huge and flat backyard right here. You can do any sort of activities here, barbecue, you know, exercise. You have a pet, you have a dog right here. This is a perfect spot for that. Yeah, so very close to all of the other plaza. We have Target, Costco, everything around here. You got restaurant, shopping around here. Very close to the freeway also. This house is such a perfect and a unique touch. If you are someone who are looking to live a more private life, and then still not too far from the central and part like Mira Mesa or the freeway, you still want to have a big house for a reasonable price, this may be your best option right here. This house are currently listed for $2,075,000. Yeah, boop, boop, right here. So yeah, let me know what do you think about this house, and then reach out to me, DM me. If you have any question about real estate or this house in particular, let me know, and I will help you with your real estate buying process. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.